Okay, today I'm going to give a simple demonstration on how to read Bazi the nature's way. Alright. Okay, actually this method is pretty simple. Well, this is Leonardo DiCaprio's chart. Okay, and this is an extension of the previous blog that I wrote about traditional and contemporary Bazi. Now, to begin with, you can see that Leonardo is a Ping Day master, right? Ping is the sun, the yang fire, right? And he is born in the season of winter here in the peak month, right? So a Ping fire in the season of winter is a very cold month, but no problem for a Ping fire person because by nature he's the sun, so he can take it, right? So in traditional Bazi, what is important for us is to find the useful God. Because the useful God will tell you what are the useful elements. Now, the useful God by definition is something that is useful to you in the chart, whether it's to the day master or to the chart as a whole. Now, in Leonardo's chart, then it's obvious that a paying person has no problem surviving in the cold winter. But what else can the paying do? Right. So the paying here can actually help this Ji Earth. See the Ji Earth in the hour pillar, the entire pillar, right? So Ji Earth is in the study of 10 gods is known as the output. Output means your performance, your ability to perform, your talents and things like that. And so happen that our pillar is also the career pillar, right? So this person will naturally have some talent in his career. And true enough, as we know that Leonardo is a very good actor, right? So this earth element is also known as the Sangguan, which is translated to be the herding officer, right? So herding officer means has the ability to act, or perhaps some form of ability to physical abilities, right? So this one is very simple. Now then again, if you see that once the Sangguan pillar appears here, now you look at his chart, there is very little wealth element in his chart. In fact, there's only one tiny one here, the zinc metal, right? Because to a paying person, metal element is the wealth element. And you see, and you wonder why that this person has so little wealth element, yet he can achieve so much in life. Because in traditional Bazi reading, it's not true that you need to have a lot of wealth element to be rich. This is a misconception to many people, right? Having all 5 elements doesn't guarantee you good life, right? In fact, sometimes you have short of 1 or 2 elements, and these are the people who will achieve a lot in life. Because at the end of the day, it's not about having balanced 5 elements and things like that. It's about, again, back to the useful God, how the day master can be useful in the environment, in the Bazi environment, right? And or how the other elements can help this day master to achieve a balance in this in his Bazi environment. Okay, so this is a very simple way of reading that I want to demonstrate here. Of course, you can go on and talk about what happens to the wood element and things like that. But the objective here is just to give a simple reading. More elaborate reading will be done in the class with the students. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Okay.